What's up, guys? It's Dan from CryptoCamacho.com. And hey, guys, today I just want to give you a quick market update on the cryptocurrency markets today, October 5th, 2018. Guys, I look at this chart. I mean, just look at this chart. This is the Bitcoin Cash USD Tether Binance chart, okay? And I mean, just look at this. Where are we going? I mean, I can look at the Bitcoin chart as well and the Ethereum chart, and I will in a moment. But I mean, look at where this is going. We have come all the way from like 5,000 all the way down to about 400, about 500 at the moment. We're at 522 at the moment. And we have hit lows for the year for Bitcoin Cash at like around 400-ish approximately. And the big question is in the market, are we going to go lower? Are we going to go higher? Are we going to keep, remaining in this bear market and go lower down to like in the 300 range for Bitcoin Cash? Or are we going to break through this bear market and burst into a bull market and shoot upwards close to 1,000? I mean, if you look at the day chart, I mean, look at the week chart. Let me show you the week chart here. So this week chart is very, very telling, right? It shows that the RSI down here has more or less bottomed out. On the MACD, if I open up the MACD, it shows kind of an uptrend just kind of starting up for the MACD. That's a really good sign for Bitcoin Cash, right? The RSI, look, it's kind of balanced out. It's bottomed out right here for the weekly. Remember, this is the weekly chart. It's bottomed out right here. Now it looks like it's going to drop again and try to hit the bottom again. That bottom could either be this $400 range, or we can drop down further into the $300 ranges, right? So right now, that's the big question. Are we going to keep going down, or are we going to break out and go up, okay? Now, if we look down, look at the 3-day chart here. The 3-day chart is a bit, very similar, right? It looks like we're starting to turn the corner, though. It looks like it's getting a lot more bullish right here at the RSI. And if you look at the MACD, very, very nice, although it's getting to the top of an uptrend, so I can't say for certain how that's going to play out, all right? So we're in this kind of very odd stage, right? And if you look at the 1-day chart, again, we're going all the way down from, I'm just going to take it from really like, I guess, here and go all the way down, right? And are we going to continue this triangle downwards? And if you look right here, see, we have the bottom. The bottom's really at about, it's about 400-ish. So we're hitting this area now where we're about to hit the apex right in here, right? The apex is right in here, right where consolidation has happened to the point where it's either going to break up or break down. Right now, we are still consolidating, and we could see a break up or break down in probably the next couple of days, right? Probably a week or two at the most, I would say. We'll see a break up or a break down in either direction, and then we'll know if it's going to be a bear market remaining in that, or if it's going to break out and go to a bull market, okay? So this is really what you should be paying attention to in the next few days or more, right? Okay, so look, now if I go to the Bitcoin chart, let's just go to Bitcoin on Binance. Same exact scenario, right? You look at this chart. I mean, this is crazy. This is crazy. Even if you take it from the perspective of right here, we're bottoming out, right? I mean, that's the triangle descending downward, and this again is the bottom approximately at 6,000, right? So if we break below 6,000 at the end of this apex area over here, and we break down below 6,000, chances are it's going to remain in a bear market and go down, even down to the fours, down to the $3,000 range, right? If we break upwards after we get to this apex area here, and we break upwards, then we're going much, much higher up to the $1,000 range for Bitcoin Cash, right? So this is kind of what's going on right now in the market. Sorry, for Bitcoin. We're going to be going up to the 7,000, 8,000 range. And if we do hit those ranges, we're going to be in fully fledged bull market, right? I wouldn't say fully fledged bull market until maybe 10,000 range. But if we hit the 7,000, 8,000 range or higher, pretty good signs that we're going to continue the bullish momentum upward, okay? So this is a quick market update. Let's look at Ethereum real quick. Ethereum is very, very similar as well, right? There's the bottom, although it has cracked below the bottom, but there is another bottom right here around 160 area, right? So about 160, which we have hit once. And again, we could break down below or we could break upwards, okay? So I'm not trying to predict the market right now, but I'm just trying to make you aware of the scenarios that could play out in the next few days, maybe in the next week or two. Be looking for this, guys, because it will happen very quick, violently, and it will go up or down very, very quickly. So be prepared, guys. I'm Dan from CryptoCamacho.com. Hopefully this was helpful, and I will talk to you next time. See you guys.